Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The first motorcycle episode without my Tenere. I'm heading out to Cultus Lake right now. Going to be test riding a KTM200 dirt bike. I've got a buddy from work, Ryan, who might consider selling me the bike. Another guy from work, Mike, used to be a pro dirt bike rider. So hopefully I'll get some skills and we'll get some good footage from these guys doing some real stuff on the bike. Ryan says his 13-year-old daughter can handle this trail pretty easily, and she's an okay rider, so hopefully I can manage to get through this without disaster. And yeah, we'll get on to his house, so we'll check out the bike, and then we'll hit the trail. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, here we are right now. Here's Ryan. Here's the KTM200 that he doesn't want to sell, but I may get forced to buy it, depending on how it works. And Ryan is going to be on that one?
No. Mike's CR. 250.
That's a 250 CR. And there's Mike. Mike's the pro racer who's going to take me on some stuff that he thinks is easy, and he's going to laugh as I crash and burn on it. All right, first time going out. We're gonna try out this gravel pit. Just get a feel for the bike before we head out and do some other stuff.
We're just going to go up this little rise and we're going to take a left, and it's going to be sort of an increasingly, you're going to go up and then it just gets a little steeper, a little steeper, a little steeper into like a sand pit, and just stay in like second or third gear and just stay steady on the throttle, and it's wide, it's not wide, it just gets steeper and steeper until we reach a little plateau.
Okay. Well, I think the tires do make a big difference. I mean, the Tenere tires, the stock ones, are shit. So having real knobbies gives you some grip anyways. That gives us some confidence. I like that I can hold it up. It's like it's going down. No, I got this easy. Yeah.
It is the same as you. It's like 200 pounds.
Yeah, yeah. So it's once it starts to tip, it's, and like you said, because it's saggy, like I can put my foot down as opposed to being on a tippy toe.
I like this. We'll just meander through the woods.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah. A lot easier to manhandle than Tenere.
By top dead center.
No.
You'll feel it stack up. So the first one might go part way.
Okay.
Click, 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 up. That's the top.
Okay.
So it might start like down here when you start.
Yeah.
You can hear it ratchet up.
Okay.
You want it to be super tight right from the top. And then like kick it, don't push it. One good kick out of it.
Kick.
Don't stomp it, like don't take your foot away from it and stomp it. But don't like kind of try and push it through like it's a one hard bang.
Yeah, okay.
It's so pretty.
I didn't make it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It just, the front wheel just went off. I didn't fall or anything. So.
Oh, I thought just all of a sudden you just disappeared.
No, the the front wheel just went there, hit there, and then bounced in there and tipped over. So. All right, I'm back home. That was awesome trying out that bike. And after some tense negotiations, I decided I was going to buy it. But since I'm going away in a couple weeks, I'm not going to pick it up till I come back in January. So Ryan can keep using it until I come back, and then we'll settle up when I get back, and we'll see when I can actually get back out on it again. Probably in the spring. The KTM200 sure is a fun bike, and we can look forward to some adventures on it when I get back. And hopefully by then too, another Tenere will be in my pocket also. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. For Christ's sake. The kickstart's a pain. It's not easy when you film with a star, right? Legit now that I've been recognized on the street.
Yeah.
I'm contemplating getting a bodyguard.